In this video, we will demonstrate how to calibrate a 300 psi pressure switch using an Additel digital pressure calibrator and pneumatic hand pump. The Additel 672 digital pressure calibrator and the DUT can be connected directly to the Additel pump using the hand-tight quick connectors, which do not require the use of PTFE tape or wrenches. The switch terminals can be connected directly to the Additel 672. To set up the ADT 672, simply press the electrical function button till the switch icon displays in the bottom right corner. The dual display now shows pressure and the state of the switch contacts, which are currently open. Now we can set up the pressure calibrator to document the test results. By using the menu button, I can select the switch menu. In this example, we have a switch that is normally open, and we want to record the set point pressure, that is, when the switch changes from open to close, and also we want to record the reset pressure, that is, when the switch changes from closed to open. In the main menu, simply select File, and then scroll down to the last item to select the test. Then press the menu button to exit back to the main screen. With Additel pneumatic pumps, pressure can simply be generated with a hand pump. As we approach the set point pressures, we can close the isolation valve and use the screw press for fine adjustment. With Additel's unique pump design, the isolation valve isolates the calibration volume from the hand pump and the check valve, providing more stable measurements than traditional hand pumps. When the set point pressure is achieved, the ADT 672 will beep and freeze the screen, indicating the switch changed from open to close. This test point is automatically recorded in the ADT 672 memory. To unfreeze the screen, simply press Enter, and then slowly vent the pressure to automatically record the reset point. To view the results, press and hold the Save button. Select the file, and select C to view the file. By pressing Enter, you can see the pressure results recorded, with the set and the reset points displayed on the screen. We hope that you found this application video instructional and useful. For more information, please visit us at additel.com.